The rumors are true. You have to feed your family every single day, at least most days. And if you're anything like me, you want those meals to be healthy. You don't want to spend $1,000 a week at Whole Foods, and you wish that they didn't take so long to make either. So you know you've got to start meal planning. And I know meal planning can be daunting, but that's why I'm here. I'm Chris Dovniak. I am a culinary nutritionist, a trained chef, and most importantly, I'm a busy working mama of two, so I get it. Meal planning and getting meals on the table can be hard. It can be stressful, which is why I created a tool to help you make meal planning easier, to streamline the process and to simplify getting meals on the table in an actually reasonable time without spending thousands of dollars a month on groceries. It's called the Healthy Mama Meal Planner and the brand new Healthy Mama Meal Planning Notepad. These two tools, individually or used together, can help you to simplify your meal planning once and for all. The Healthy Mama Meal Planner has your roadmap to meal planning in a way that is flexible and works for your unique family and your unique schedule. It brings you through monthly and weekly meal planning pages, as well as a guide to teach you exactly how to meal plan the flexible way. Everything from creating a family favorites list to a list of recipes to try to make that meal planning process every single week so much easier and more streamlined. I want you to sit down with your Healthy Mama Meal Planner each week and feel ease. Feel like meal planning isn't as much of a burden and feel excited to feed your family delicious, nourishing meals all week long. So head to the link below and grab your Healthy Mama Meal Planner or your brand new Healthy Mama Meal Planning Notepad to bring with you to the grocery store each week. Get those groceries you need and feed your family well all week long without the stress.